everyone, Franny here, and today I'm going to talk to you about this chairlift. We got this from my uncle who had a really bad fall a few months ago. He was at home alone, he fell down, and he was not able to get himself up for a couple of hours until we were able to come help him. It was terrifying for him, it was terrifying for all of us, and so once that happened, he and I realized that he needed something that could offer him assistance when we weren't around, and so we got him this chairlift, and I am going to show you about it, give you kind of a little deep dive into it as quickly as I can. But I just wanted to say, first off, like how wonderful this has been of a purchase for us, because he just fell again last week. And again, he was home alone, but because of this, he was able to get up on his own. And I'm here at his house today, and he was like, it worked, it worked. It's the best purchase I've made. So that inspired me to do this little video just so you could see if it was right for you or somebody that you love. So let's take a look. Okay, so there are these handles here, so it makes it really easy to pull up the back of the chair. And these are some features that I think just make this such a standout product. There are these little flaps that fold over, and this helps the person get from the floor onto the chair. Now, my uncle is very heavy and doesn't have a lot of upper body strength, and these little flaps really did help him get onto the chair. Now, this chair can safely hold up to 300 pounds, and the seat is nicely padded, so it is comfortable. You'll see here that the center portion of the seat is 15 inches across, and if you extend it all the way with the side flaps down, it goes 28 inches wide. Now, just to give you a demo of the chair, once you have slid on, you just grab the handheld controller and press the green arrow button. That is going to start the chair. The back automatically comes up to put you in an upright position, and then the chair begins to lift. Now, it does lift nice and slowly, so I was never worried about my uncle losing his balance. He said he always felt very safe on here. The yellow button on the top of the controller will stop the chair moving at any time. You can also just let go of the green arrow, and that will cease movement. Once it is fully extended, the height of the chair is 19.5 inches. To collapse the chair, you simply press the green down arrow, and it will automatically move back into its starting position. And then you simply fold the flaps back in, and you can pull the back seat down, and then it stores away easily wherever you choose to house it. Now, you can see that it folds up really nicely. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and the power comes from this handheld controller. Okay, let's talk charging. The handheld controller has a rechargeable battery, and that is actually what powers the chair. You plug that into the charger, and then it takes about 3 hours to charge, and the charge lasts for 10 uses, but they do recommend charging it fully at least once a month. Once it's done, you unplug it, and then you plug it into the back of the chair right here, like you see. We've decided to keep this plugged in and charging all the time, so the chair just lives right now next to the wall outlet. I just wanted to point out one other feature of this chair that I think is pretty extraordinary. This chair is fully waterproof, and so if it's something that you need to use in the bath or shower, there are these suction cups on the bottom of the chair. So this will keep the chair steady if you are using it in water. Like I said before, my uncle said this is the best purchase he has made all year. He's 78, he's very heavy set, and he has limited mobility. And this chair has helped him feel so much more confident at home. It's given all of us peace of mind that he can be safe on his own if an accident does happen. So I hope that this was helpful, and good luck in your shopping.